Good morning, advisees. Just want to send you a little note to kind of update you on what's going on here as we kick off our distance learning on Monday. I just sent out a link to, or not a link, but a class code for our CODA's advisory Google Classroom. Advisors are going to take attendance on a Google Classroom. So once you enter that code and you enter into this class, daily you will see an advisory attendance form. If you click on that, just ask you a couple questions, your name, how you're doing, and anything that you might need from me. Remember, you guys, that you can use me to answer any of your questions with your teachers. You can certainly email your teachers as well, but if you're having any difficulty getting hold of anybody, please contact me. I'm kind of your point person for distance learning. So check in with me every day. That is our way to take attendance. Let's see, what else? Monday we roll out distance learning. So those of you with Wi-Fi, you will find that all of your classes have a Google Classroom. That's where we are all doing our stuff. You might have links there to bring you to other places, but that's your place to start every day is Google Classroom. People that are getting hard copies, those things are sent out by the buses on Mondays and returned on Mondays. And I think, this first week here, I think we'll be ironing out a lot of unforeseen kinks. So if you have any issues at all, again, just let me know and we'll figure it out for you so that by the following week, things are running nice and smooth. I hope you are all doing well. We sure do miss you here at the school. And again, contact me with any needs. You can text me to, my cell phone number is 218-760-8819. Talk to you soon. Bye.